It's gonna attract more people because of the good quality it has compared to like a normal camera phone. Hi, my name is Monze and I'm from Yoli's Jewelry. We have a company of silver and gold jewelry and we're located in Hesperia, California. We usually sell through lives on social media, and we have a website where you can find all our different kind. We have rings, earrings, silver. We also do diamonds, and we sell silver 925 and 14 karat gold. No, we don't have the box, but we saw it at the show, and what we liked about it was that it's like a really quick and easy way to get photos and videos, and the products come out very clear, and we like the lighting, and overall it's just good quality. I think it's gonna be like better quality. It's gonna attract more people because of the good quality it has compared to like a normal camera phone where you can see like it's not as good. You can see the quality of the jewelry piece, because what I saw with the camera box, you can see the piece on the photo like if it was like in person. So what I liked about the box was that you can get a good quality picture of the item you can get, and it's a quick and easy access to get good images and videos for your jewelry. I'm going to be using the box to get quick and easier pictures and videos of the jewelry, because usually when we have like on an iPhone or a camera, it takes way longer time, and using like the AI system, it helps a lot getting the items out faster on like social media and on the website.